My name is Edward Gonzalez, and my current position is Principal of STEM Engagement for Diversity and Minorities. Number one, stay true to yourself. No matter what happens, you have reached the level of wherever you happen to be for a reason, for your passion, the ability to find the yes, which is very important. You should always try and find the yes. And don't let anybody label you. And we don't even think about it. It could be something as simple as you're at a dinner or a lunch with industry and somebody criticizes the way you're buttering your bread as you're doing it wrong. Maybe it's some of those skills that we missed, and maybe these are some of the things that we need to focus on, or not let them ruin our day and tip the scale to the negative.